is the right age for the kids to decide on their career paths?
Absolutely, this is the right age. At least they will be exposed to what are the options that they can choose, because earlier it was only engineering and medicine is only one thing which they knew. But now, yes, they also know that there are other options which they can explore and achieve something.
Do you think this is the right time for students to decide on their careers?
You see, there are a lot of options now, and the earlier they start, the better it is, so that they know exactly which subjects to pursue, which subjects to concentrate on, and how they should talk about their lives.
And what are the main important things that the kids should know before deciding on a career?
Exactly, that they should have an open mind to all the fields, and they should know what is their strength. They should know where the interest lies, because as your hoarding says over there, your passion and your career should always go hand in hand, because that is the only way they can succeed.
It's good because we are deciding a career, because they're giving a guidance to our career. It's feeling good.
It's good to come here. It's like competitive. It's like competitive over here, coming here, facing the new students of other school.
Hi guys, good morning. How does it feel to be a part of this competition?
Exciting.
It feels competitive and good and exciting sort of thing, yeah.
Yeah, it's exciting.
Pretty cool actually.
International School.
Okay.
All the best, do well.
Maybe I'll take MBA once I finish my studies, basic.
Something in the field of law, maybe NGOs.
Who's going to win this competition?
Vidyaniketan Public School.
This inaugural edition has received an overwhelming response from schools across Bangalore. So we've had more than 5,500 students from over 40 schools across Bangalore who have participated in this competition. So the students who are here, which is about 350 to 400 of you, have qualified from out of that 5,500. So I think we should definitely give a big round of applause to all of you here. We have a video called the Lodestar Way, which will tell you that how you can create magic in your careers.
You can't do this. You can't do that. Your marks don't make the cut.
There are so many jobs that interest me. Chemical engineering, investment banking, archaeology. What would that profession be that suits my personality?
Okay, it's difficult to figure that out. Very difficult. But the good news is, Lodestar is here, and we have everything figured out for you. Analysis. We very systematically bring out your child's aspirations through a well-designed scientific interest and aptitude test. This step leads to the next, which is Discover. It's here that the world of more than 250 careers opens up. It's pretty amazing to plot these against the 15 major industries. With this step taken, it's about fine-tuning choices and charting paths to determine. We have now the exactly needed education and the nitty-gritties of selecting the right exams in related universities.
Some of you have been here from 7:15, 7:30. It's amazing. The response and the reaction from all of you and the schools that we've been to has completely overwhelmed us. And we are so thrilled that we're doing the right thing. So thank you for, reposing our faith in ourselves. So I must give all of you a very big round of applause. 12 crore is a number that worries me every day, because between now and the next 10 years, 12 crore youth like you will enter the Indian workforce, which means every month there are 10 lakh people. Every month for the next 10 years, there'll be 10 lakh people who will be coming in and saying that I want a job. A good anything is better than average something. Let me repeat. I will ask for the realization that a good anybody is better than an average somebody.
a specific language or a specific career is not necessarily going to lead you to success 15 years later. What is going to be important is how well do you know your concepts? How much have you worked towards a specific area, your passion, and as you discover yourself that, hey, this is something I'm good at and I enjoy doing it and I can do it better than a lot of people around me. That's the value that you can bring to this world. Right? Your work needs to make this world a better place. And if you start thinking of your work, your career from that dimension, you will find it far easier to discover your own passion and follow it.
One subject I hated throughout my life was mathematics. So, I have a lot of people along with me there. But I didn't know what to study. So I was studying whatever they were asking me to study and I was doing it. But then I always used to love talking. I used to love talking in the class, outside the class, whatever. My teachers always used to say, Pradeep, nobody is going to pay money for you to talk. And then once I joined Grey Caps, I went back and told them, actually people pay me money to talk. So it's seriously, the career opportunities today is endless. I mean, you can do so many things with your life. And before we start the quiz, I want all of you to put your hands together for Lodestar for doing this because they are showing us a direction in life. So this basically defines a profession or a person who removes ignorance or darkness in your life. If you have been to Lodestar website, you'll definitely get this. It's a one-word answer that I'm looking for. So basically, I'm just asking you his profession. What does he do for money? What does he do for a living? He composes the sequence of steps and moves of a dance.
Research says that today 80% of the parents are involved in their child's career decision making. Our research says that 60% of the parents and the students today typically they go back to their inner circle. They go back to their peers, they go back to their friends or even elders to typically get career decision. What we thought is it will be a great idea if an app can be brought to you where we get connected and you are there with career decision throughout. India's first career app, which is known as Career Guru. You can download, this is available in Google's Play Store. So these are the features of the app. It starts with Career Mantra. These are all tips on different careers, guidance on different important careers. That's one. Second is, this has quiz, a very similar kind of a quiz what you've gone through now. Small snippets on different careers. Third is Career in Spotlight. So there are a lot of important careers today which never existed 8-10 years back. So you need to know about this. There are important snippets given to this in Career in Spotlight. Then we come to World of Jobs. This is a repository of close to 200 occupations. You can actually browse through, go through different career occupations.
It's something which is so important for both children and parents. And for parents, I'd just leave likely one message. I'm a parent myself, children a little older than this. My whole question was, can I afford not to do this and be involved with my parents' career? And this is why I totally love what Career Guru has done. So once again, thank you very much, Lodestar, for making this happen.
The question is, when we are introduced to many passionate careers, there are chances where we get at that situation which might suit me. Like I am very good and I am very interested in competitive field for many competitive examination, which may include IAS, it's in separate thing, IFS is in separate thing, IAF, Air Force, it's in separate thing. Now I can't take everything together, but I'm interested in everything and I'm aware of everything. So at that time, what can I do? That actually triggers me a lot.
To say I'm interested in so many things, to choose from that is always a better thing. So do not worry about saying, I like so many things, how do I choose? First start liking those things. As you're saying, keep trying various things. Now how do you narrow down One is to really align your interest to your passion.
So these are your 6 teams on stage. Put your hands together for all of them. It's not easy to be on the stage. There are 400 teams. This was basically to denote the path taken by a wheeled vehicle. So which word gets its origin from the mid-16th century Latin word denoting a race course? Yes, go on, Presidency South.
Career.
Career. So career basically meant a path which a horse would take. It would start slow, then gallop to full speed, and then win the race. Put your hands together for them. First plus 10 of the quiz. Who takes this oath called the Hippocratic Oath? Go on, Amatra.
People in the profession of medicine, doctors take this oath.
Doctors take the oath of the Hippocrates called the Hippocratic Oath. Plus 10 to Amatra again. St. Paul's.
He taste tests ice cream. Dreyer's makes ice cream, so he taste tests.
St. Paul's, absolutely right. Put your hands together for them. Science, music, math, engineering, literature, anatomy, geology, astronomy, botany, writing, history, and cartography. St. Paul's, if you get this right, you win the quiz. If you get this wrong, I think Amatra are very close to winning it. Go on, St. Paul's.
Leonardo da Vinci.
Father of paleontology and ichnology, St. Paul's. Minus 10 is what you do not get. Champions, St. Paul's are the champions of the quiz. Put your hands together for them. Leonardo da Vinci.
I would like to personally thank all the parents, the schools, management, principals, teachers, and last but not the least, the students who have made this event a big success. We look forward to having your participation again in the second edition, which we will definitely aim at making it bigger and better. Thank you.